Hello students, in this video I will explain you the topic vegetative propagation from the chapter reproduction. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in which we obtained new plants from different vegetative parts like stem, roots and leaves. Let us understand this with some examples. Like potato is an example of vegetative propagation through stem. First we take a potato and cut it into different pieces, 5 to 6 pieces. It is to be noted that each piece of potato bears a node, which is very commonly used in vegetative propagation technique. And then each piece of potato buried into the soil and give water it regularly. After some days we will observe that small plants, small seedlings of potato will emerge out from the soil. So by this way we obtain new plant of potato. Next example is money plant. As in money plant, simply cut a branch of money plant and put it into a transparent bottle filled with water, and after few days you will observe that new leaves of money plant will emerge out from previous plants from parent plant. Next, you can take an example of rose. In rose plant you simply cut a small branch from it and then buried it into the soil and water it regularly. After few days you will observe that small flower will arise from the bud of new potted plant. So in this way we will observe that a new plant will arise from a small branch of old plant. So this is also a vegetative propagation technique. Through stem we obtain new plant. In next image, sweet potato is also developed into a new plant. It is a kind of root which helps to develop into a new plant through vegetative propagation technique. A small bud is arise from the upper portion and its swollen base is called tuber, and cut a small portion of it and bury it into the soil and develop into a new plant. Same in case of turmeric and ginger, these are also developed into a new plant. Turmeric and ginger will develop into a new plant when it cut from the portion of nodal region. So this is the example of vegetative propagation. Now next, in case of leaf, we can take an example of Bryophyllum and Begonia. These are the best example of vegetative propagation through leaf. You can see in the image at the margin of the Bryophyllum leaf, small buds, small outgrowth arise from the margin and it detach from the parent plant and develop into a new plant. So simply root, stem and leaves, these are naturally help in the vegetative propagation technique. This is the leaf of begonia. It is also helpful in the propagation. The small leaf detach from it and develop into a new plants. This is all about vegetative propagation. Thank you.